Yes.
I've been recording. Guess what? I've been recording the whole time I was away. I have footage of everything. Why you got that on there?
I don't know.
Alright, slow your roll, buddy. Slow your roll, buddy.
I'm unpacking. What is us to unpack?
You can unpack this bag. And I'll unpack this bag. Because I gotta watch it. Alright, y'all. So I'm finally back home. Marcus, you missed me?
Yes.
Hey, I missed you too. Marcus is helping me unpack all this stuff that I got. I need to sweep my floor.
Nice.
Yeah, everything. All my masks are dirty. All of them. My room a little jacked up right now.
A hairbrush. What do I do with it? Where do I put it?
Up there on that table. Yo, and I received
Why
my
do you have a
BoxyCharm
shoe in here?
because I almost forgot my shoes at the hotel at Airbnb.
I could have got my own room. I could have went with you and got my own room.
You could have, but there wasn't no kids with us. The next time.
Like I could have had my own room. I could have packed my stuff. I could have brought my Xbox, played some games, watched some YouTube videos, and then fall asleep. But it may not feel right because I'm going to be alone in the room.
I'll take you on my next trip. Look, got me another light. Don't play with her. Don't play with her.
I'm a robot. Robot. What's the name of the robot? The robot's dead. My robot. Right there.
Even though it's fine, I can guarantee you if you want cash, you know it's bad. You can have the big house, I can really be glad. $100,000 and not the big cheap, she doesn't marry.
Alexa, fart.
Okay, here's Big Fart. That was a lovely one. Do you want to hear another one?
No.
Okay, just say cancel if you have had enough farting for the day, or say random to keep the
That
truth coming.
sounds so weird.
Just say random for a random fart sound.
Random.
That was an engine rumbler one.
Turn it out.
Try
Turn this
asking
up.
me to play Mr. Fart.
These viewers need to
Or say random.
random.
That was a relaxed one. Do you want to hear me fart?
This sounds so weird, but yes.
That's nasty.
That was a wet and squeaky one.
Ew.
Try asking me to fart 34 times in a row. Or say
Alexa, fart 36 times in a row.
36 farts coming your way.
He is disgusting. That's so nasty.
It is not nasty, it's comedy. You viewers wouldn't know that it's comedy
Try
too.
asking me for a wet fart.
Alexa.
Alexis, stop.
Okie dokie.
What?
None of you guys get fly to me, well, matter of fact, none of you guys get
Slide, cause I told him that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man.
I'm gonna kick you out.
No! I asked one simple question.
Why would have stabbed my mannequin head?
I have nothing else to stab.
You're not supposed to stab stuff.
And what else do I have this for? What else am I supposed to use this for?
Nothing. You're not even supposed to have it.
Like, you didn't say I couldn't have it or not.
double up. 3 or 4 times, I ain't telling no lies, I just run it up. Never let a hard time hold what.
And can you get me like a test on me?
Double up.
Like, but like.
I ain't telling no lies,
Alright, y'all. Let me zoom y'all out. So now I'm back with my BoxyCharm. I'm finished unpacking. I need to wash clothes now and just get everything in order, even though everything is in order. But yes, this is my February's BoxyCharm. I didn't even post my January one yet, but I gotta post this now. So yeah, this is my February BoxyCharm. And you know what I'm thinking, because Valentine's Day cord. Yes, cord. Yes, BoxyCharm. So we have, it's a lip liner, 2 lip liners. And I have these 2 colors. They're so bomb. I already put one on. One is Secret Admirer and one is Love Letter. And these are so cute. Just the boxing and everything is just so cute. So cute. Then I have a Winder Beauty. It's a double date. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna take it out the box. It has 2 colors. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And this is a lip. This is called double date. It's a lip and cheek. Maybe I'm tripping. Oh, period. So I'm guessing the top is the cheek. I don't know. It's lip and cheek, so this is a pink one. And I didn't even know it was the white one too. So this must be for your lips. Period. So yes, we have that. And then pencils. I don't even know why I'm putting it back in a box because yeah, I just throw the box in the trash. But I keep my BoxyCharm box. Next we have some Lavido. What is this? Inspired by Nature. Age Away Hydrating Cream. Next we have some real Complexion hydrating, like the fat water and all that you put on your face, the toner and all that. That's what it is. And it looks so amazing. Like, I just want to wipe it all over my face right now. Unless we have an Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette. Y'all, these colors in here is freaking amazing. So yeah, get ready. It's so fun. Like, look at them colors, y'all. I cannot wait to do my makeup. Right, it's gonna be lit. It's going to be lit, 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 lit. Anyway, so yeah, that's what we got from BoxyCharm this month. Period. I would just throw this in the trash. I am about to go to the store. I need to figure out where my stuff is and figure out what I'm gonna do today and clean my makeup brushes. So I shall be back. And at this point, I'm thinking about buying me some more press ones because they so lit. Like, I need me another set of press ones. But I'll be back.